Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect to Notion with ChatGPT step by step. This is a powerful setup that allows you to use AI directly inside your Notion workspace to write, summarize, brainstorm ideas, and manage information much faster. Whether you're a student, content creator, or running a business, this integration can seriously boost your productivity. Let's get started. First, open Notion on your browser or desktop app and go to your workspace. From there, create a new page by clicking on New Page. This gives you a clean starting point and makes it easier to access your settings. Once your page is open, look over to the left-hand side and open the sidebar menu. This is where all your main navigation and account options are located. Scroll down until you find Settings. If you couldn't find the sidebar, you can always search for it, then click on it to open your Account Settings panel. Inside the Settings window, look at the top and select the Connections tab. This is where Notion lets you link external tools and services to your workspace. From here, browse through the available options until you find Notion MCP, then click on Explore. You'll now see a list of supported apps and integrations. Go ahead and find ChatGPT in the list, then click on the Connect button. At this point, you'll be redirected to ChatGPT to authorize the connection. Make sure to review the permissions carefully, then approve the connection. This step allows ChatGPT to securely interact with your Notion workspace. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation that the integration was successful. And that's it. ChatGPT is now connected to your Notion account. You can start using AI-powered features right inside Notion to generate content, summarize notes, organize ideas, and automate repetitive tasks. It's especially useful for managing projects, writing documents, and turning rough notes into polished content in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials on Notion and AI tools, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this. I'll see you in the next video.